Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward AOL mail to Gmail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Mail, Inbox, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Tap on Inbox. There, find the mail that you want to forward. Open it. Then, on the bottom, you're gonna see options like Delete, Archive, Move, Reply, and more. Tap on More, then select Forward from the menu appearing from the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, go ahead, type in the mail that you want to forward to. Type in the Gmail account. Then tap on Send from the top right corner, and guys, that's it. That's how you forward AOL mail to Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.